Darling, I want to start by saying sorry for my behavior earlier this week. Trust me, I didn't mean for it to happen. There were a lot of things occupying my mind, and I am sorry that I took it all out on you. You deserve better, and I know it, so I hope that you can find it in your heart to forgive me. I am ready to work it out with you if you are. I know that you need your space right now, and I will be here waiting for you as long as you need. All I can think about is our short getaway last week, and the happy memories we made together. So it just saddens me to see us fighting like this. Please give me another chance to make things right. I'm looking forward to talking it out with you. I love you so much.
Darling, first and foremost, I'd like to express my gratitude for creating such a lovely video that has won my heart. You truly brighten my day. I'd like to say something as well, but please don't misunderstand what I'm about to say. We've had a couple of issues in the past, and we've always worked things out between us. But it seems like we're always having these issues, and you're the one causing me to be upset. I'm not blaming you for anything. I just want us to be happy and free of problems. Do you honestly believe this will work? I also have something else I'd like to share with you. I'm always honest with you. Before you pass judgment on me, I want you to understand my feelings. I adore you just as much as you adore me. My feelings about our relationship have shifted as a result of these issues between us. I have my doubts about it now and then, and I'm thinking it's time to make a decision about us. I understand that it is difficult to make things clear at this time, but I have begun to improve my life for myself and for you by doing what is best for both of us. I believe we all require time for ourselves from time to time. They always say that breaking up for a period of time in a relationship can change a lot of things and make things better than they were before. If you agree with me, let us take some time apart and then get together and have a long talk about our relationship later. I'd appreciate it if you could let me know what you think.
Darling, I'd like to thank you for responding to me in such a lovely manner, despite the fact that some of your video has upset me. But I trust you because you know you're doing the right thing for us. I sincerely regret making you feel that way. I want to reassure you that I never did anything on purpose, because I would never do something like that. If this is what you want to do, I respect you for it, and we can take some time apart before meeting again to talk about our relationship, as you mentioned. I wish you a wonderful time while you are away from me, and I just wanted to let you know that I am thinking of you.